coordinate plane. Please make sure you know this, emphasize this here. This is what we call the x-axis, that's why there's an x there. And this is the y-axis because that's why we have the y there. The point directly in the middle where those two meet is called the origin. Anytime they ask you about the origin, they're always referring to that point. And then these numbers here, those are called ordered pairs. And they're called ordered pairs because the order of them matters. And where most people go wrong is they just mix them up. If you have 3, 2, the 3 is the x number and the 2 is the y number. You can also think about it like this. 3 is the over number, how far over you go. And the second number is the how far up/down you go. If it's negative, you go down. If it's positive, you go up. So if the ordered pair is 3, 2, you go over 1, 2, 3, and up 2, and that's where that gets there. Another way to think about it is you can find x, 3 on the x-axis. Right here's 3 on the x-axis. That is all these points right here. 2 on the y-axis is all these points right here. And the place where those two cross, the 3 and the 2, is the point that stands for that. Okay? And if you look at our beloved little Cartesian coordinate system here, you will notice that it is cut into 4. If you look at it, what color? Let's do something light. You've got what we call 4 quadrants. You've got this 1/4, you've got this 1/4, you've got this 1/4, and you've got this 1/4. And those, ladies and gentlemen, are given Roman numeral type names. Okay, and it's not necessarily logical, so it's going to have this. This is quadrant number 1. What do you know about the x and y numbers in quadrant number 1? If a number is in number 1, if a ordered pair is in number 1, what will be true about it, both of its x and y values, Wade?
They're both positive.
Yes, they will both be positive. You will not find a negative integer in any of these. Okay? This one right here is quadrant number 2. In quadrant number 2, what is true about the x and y values? In quadrant 2, Tyler,
One's negative, one's positive.
the x value will be negative and the y value will be positive. It has to be. Okay, if it fell right there, which actually doesn't fall in a quadrant because it's on line, x is negative, y is 0. It's not positive 1 here. And then here we have quadrant number 3. Quadrant number 3 has what for x and y values? They are both going to be what, Tyler?
Negative.
Yep, both x and y will be negative. And then in quadrant number 4, which is IV, 1 in front of a 5, the x has to be positive and the y has to be negative. Everybody kind of good with that? It's just really nothing new. Alright, on the back side of that, just for fun here, I want you to plot these points and then connect them in the order I'm giving them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plot these points. What do we got here? 0, 4. Make sure with your ordered pairs you also put parentheses around them. If they don't have parentheses, -3, -4. 5, comma 1. Negative 5, 1. 3, negative 4. And then connect the dots and see what you get there. And 0, comma 4. See what you get for that. Meanwhile, I'm going to do this. See if I can myself.
That's it.
Plot those points and see what you get. Plot those points and see what you get. You got 1 to 2? Huh? Oh, boy. No, so you get the same one, you go. 0, 4, you should have got here. Right?
Just.
X is 0, y is 4. Point number 1. Point number 2 is negative 3, negative 4. Negative 3 over, negative 4 down. Connect those points, it would look like this. Point number 3 is 5, 1. 5 over, 1 over. Point number 4 is negative 5, 1. Negative 5, 1. Point number 5 is 3, negative 4. And point 6 is 0, 4. Not sure why you connected the outside ones and not in the order I gave them. Did I say that? Did I say that? I thought- I saw a lot of people that had this shape here. Not that star shape there. Perfect. Oops, that's not this one. I do have, I think we did the same one last year.